A for
apple.
apple means
Save.
B for
Ball.
ball means
Gend.
C for
Cat.
cat means
Billy.
D for
Dog.
dog means
Kutta.
E for
Elephant.
elephant means
Hathi.
F for
Fish.
fish means
Machli.
G for
Goat.
goat means
Bakri.
H for
Hen.
hen means
Murgi.
I for
Ice cream.
ice cream means
Ice cream.
J for
Jug.
jug means
Jug.
K for
King.
king means
Raja.
L for
Lion.
lion means
Sher.
M for
Mango.
mango means
Arm.
N for
Nest.
nest means
Ghosla.
O for
Owl.
owl means
Ullu.
P for
Parrot.
parrot means
Tota.
Q for
Queen.
queen means
Rani.
R for
Rabbit.
rabbit means
Khargosh.
S for
Ship.
ship means
Jahaj.
T for
Tiger.
tiger means
Bagh.
U for
Umbrella.
umbrella means
Chhata.
V for
Van.
van means
Gaadi.
W for
Watch.
watch means
Ghadi.
X for
Xmas.
Xmas means
Xmas.
Y for
Yacht.
yacht means
Nauka.
Z for
Zebra.
zebra means
Zebra.